So here Hope's eating her breakfast, and I'm just trying to capture the moment that she moves this out of the way so everyone can see what she does. So this food is actually recommended for Hope specifically by an equine nutritionist that knows racehorses and also has done the food for the horses at the racetrack. So she's in good hands. This stuff is called senior mash, and it is in pellet form, and then you put it in water and soak it, and it turns into like the mashed potato that you would have on your Sunday dinner, for instance, with a roast dinner, mashed potato and vegetables and all that good stuff. So this is not dissimilar to that, but for horses. And then what that is that it's got all vitamins and minerals and all that good stuff in, and it's also easier on her teeth because it's soft mash, and easy on her digestion. And in there we've got 2 handfuls of fibre conditioning, like a grass. It's like a dried grass, but when you put it in the water it mulches down a bit, and then you mix that in with the senior mash, and it's probably the equivalent of mixing, say, your Sunday roast vegetables in with your mashed potato. So when you've got your carrots and your peas and stuff on the side of the plate, and then you mix it in with your mash, that's sort of what this is like. So easily digestible, and that stuff keeps her in good condition. And basically it helps with her fur to keep her coat nice, and keeps her joints good, and just all round good, healthy. There you go, she's just moved a dish out the way, and now she's eating the stuff that she spilt on the floor while she was eating. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys so you could see what sort of diet she is on. And basically it's 1 scoop of that senior mash, 2 handfuls of the fibre conditioning grass, and 1.5 scoops of water. And that's what one meal time looks like for Hope. But as you can see, it's doing her a world of good, because her fur, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it is a lot longer than what it was when she came to us. When she came to us, it was just pretty much smooth to the skin. And now she has long fur, which is doing her a world of good in this winter climate. This stuff here, let me zoom in. Yep, that stuff there is corn crescent hoof ointment, which is good for all hoof types. And this stuff goes just right there. See that dark stripe right there at the top of her hoof? She's got it on all 4 of them. That is paste that basically encourages new hoof growth. And what that does is, if you see, which one is it? Okay, if you see that one, there's a crack on it. So there's a crack on that one, and that has formed because hooves, like wooden gates and wooden fences in your garden, they expand and contract with the weather. And seeing now in England we are going to a cold climate, yes, an even colder climate than what a British summer would be, yes. Cracks that have like formed in the hooves throughout the year, we'll say. This is the time when they sort of, go, if you like, and appear. And what this hoof paste does is it encourages the hoof to grow down. So when the farrier comes and trims the hoof, there is more fresh new hoof, because essentially this material here is all dead material. So this stuff under this paste, there is fresh new hoof that is white and looks kind of like ivory, but it's not ivory, it's just fresh new hoof material. And so if you knock off some of this paste, that's what you'll see underneath. I've actually just put this morning's paste on, so that's why you can't see it at the moment, but I will try and get a video before I put the paste on tomorrow. It's something that's got to go on every day, and it just keeps their hoofs growing and gives them, you know, all the stuff that they need. Sort of like if you were putting some sort of nail polish with vitamins and minerals in on your own nails, and in actual fact this stuff, if you get it on you, it will grow your own nails. It's quite effective. But if you see this dark strip, I don't know if you can tell the difference between where the new stuff is towards the fur and then how far the dark strip goes down, but that dark strip basically shows you how much the hoofs started to grow already, and this is probably about a week's worth of growth. So they're doing really well, and this stuff is really doing a good job at growing those hoofs down. And at the moment she's done with her food. This is what it sort of looks like. This stuff is what it breaks down to, and I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's a mash, and it's got all the vitamins and minerals in there. So when she's done with that, she moves her dish out of the way, and then any of this stuff that went on the floor, she munches that all up too, just to make sure she's had everything. So I guess you could say that Hope likes her veggies. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, Hope. Bye. Bye, guys.